From Vermont, home of the Love Bandit, I'm David Beadle on this Valentine's Day 2010. Here's what's happening from RateAlertNow.com. 30-year mortgage rates rose this past week, mostly because of the calendar shift into the next delivery period. This occurs once every 4 weeks because new mortgages are locked for sale to an investor in a specific month. Once that month has arrived, it is time to push the process forward for new loans. The longer the lock protection period, the higher the cost. It's roughly analogous to buying an insurance policy. The national average 30-year fixed-rate mortgage is now at 4 7/8% with 1 3/4 points, up half a point from February 5th for an extra cost of $500 on a $100,000 loan. The 5% rate is now at 1 1/4 points, up 5/8 of a point from a week earlier. Remember, 1 point is worth 1% of the loan amount. This means 1 point is $1,000 on a $100,000 loan and $2,000 on a $200,000 loan. When it comes to a 2-point loan, that represents 2% of the loan amount. This means 2 points is $2,000 on a $100,000 loan and $4,000 on a $200,000 loan. The national average 15-year fixed-rate mortgage was up as well, with the 4 1/4% rate now at 1 1/2 points. The 4 3/8% rate is at 7/8 of 1 point. In order for you to know when to lock your floating fixed-rate mortgage, you have to have an early warning system with immediate news on changes in current rates and points before they occur throughout each and every business day. That's where my Rate Alert Now service becomes essential to your rate lock strategy. I'll tell you via regular email and/or mobile text messaging when current rates are about to go up, and if you act quickly, you may be able to reach your local mortgage originator by phone to lock your rate before the mortgage company becomes aware of what's going on and changes its rates. The cost of my service is less than $1 a day. This week, Wednesday will bring data on January housing starts. Thursday will feature the January Producer Price Index on inflation at the wholesale level. And on Friday, we will find out how consumer prices were doing last month. That's what's happening. I'm David Beadle. Happy Valentine's Day. For full details on my real-time mortgage rate alert service to help you beat the system, visit RateAlertNow.com and check back here on Monday for my next free mortgage rate update.